My name is David Reid. I'm a station manager working for the London Fire Brigade. Each year, the London Fire Brigade completes 75,000 home fire safety visits. The purpose of the home fire safety visit is to minimise the risk of a resident dying or becoming injured as a result of a fire in their home. By the end of this short video, you as a local partner will have the confidence to signpost a vulnerable resident to the London Fire Brigade. Contact details will be provided.
Sir.
Thank you. Stand at ease.
Okay, this morning we've got training at Finchley, BA drill, and in the afternoon we'll be doing a home fire safety visit. I'd like Will and Matt to be in charge of that. Please ensure that we've got smoke alarms on the fire engine and the appropriate paperwork to go with that, please.
Hello, my name is Matt Tiffin and this is Will Searle. We are firefighters for the London Fire Brigade and we are going to demonstrate how you can directly impact the safety of members of the public by referring them to the LFB. We, as the London Fire Brigade, offer a free home fire safety visit to all residents, where firefighters provide fire safety advice suited to the individual's needs and home. We can fit smoke alarms, if required, and specialist alarms for people with visual or hearing impediments. As you enter a person's home, take note of the most crucial safety device that may prevent the majority of fire deaths: smoke alarms. A smoke alarm can provide early warning, allowing extra time to escape. They may also alert neighbours to a possible fire. If there is no smoke alarm present, refer the resident to the LFB. Likewise, if there is a smoke alarm and it is not working, this is as good as not having one, so refer the resident to us. Having a working smoke alarm is key to a safe home. We recommend testing smoke alarms monthly, so if you get the opportunity to do so, test it, especially if the occupant suffers from mobility issues. An area often overlooked by occupants is their escape plan. They need to know what to do in the event of a fire and where to go should a fire be discovered. This route, usually out the front or back door, should be kept clear to allow easy access and escape. If there are too many personal possessions blocking an occupant's escape route, refer them to us and we will discuss the safety implications associated with escape routes. We also recommend that a set of keys for the windows and doors are kept close by to the occupants throughout the day and night should access to their key store be blocked by a fire. The LFB regularly attend fires caused by candles, incense and oil burners. This can be due to not putting them out prior to leaving the property or when going to bed. Candles should also be stored and used within heat-resistant holders and placed on a suitable surface. Candles should always be kept well clear of materials that can catch fire, such as curtains, furniture and clothes. If you identify any risks associated with candles, refer the resident to us. More fires and fire injuries are caused by carelessness in the kitchen than anywhere else in the home. Heat alarms in kitchens can detect the increase in temperature caused by a fire, but will not be set off by cooking fumes. If you notice burnt food, burn marks in the kitchen, or have any suspicion that the occupant is unsafe or at risk from any of these hazards, refer them. We will tailor our information to suit them best. The fires caused by smoking result in more deaths than any other type of fire. This can be due to insufficient depth of ashtrays, burning furnishings, or smoking whilst in bed. As you enter a property, take note of any burn marks on carpets, worktops, chairs and bedding. We can provide fire-resistant bedding to reduce the risk of a fatality. Even if you feel the occupant is not using sufficiently deep enough ashtrays, refer them to us. Having heaters placed too close to flammable materials causes fires, burns and deaths every year. This is commonly a result of sleeping too near a portable heater or attempting to dry laundry next to a heater. If there is a portable heater in a property and you feel there is a risk to the occupant, refer them to us. In properties with a fireplace, there are also some key risks associated. Chimneys should be swept and cleaned by a specialist regularly. Once again, any risks noticed when in an occupant's property, please refer them to the LFB. Electrical fires are common but can be easily avoided. Scorch marks, flickering lights, or hot plugs and sockets can be signs of loose or dangerous wiring. These should be checked by a qualified electrician, but we can explain this to the occupants. We commonly notice overloaded plug sockets, which can easily start fires and are usually identified behind television sets. Ideally, one plug should be used per socket, especially with high-powered appliances such as fridges. If you see any risks of overloading, refer the resident to the LFB. Some fire deaths can occur when people are sleeping due to a poor bedtime routine. Prior to occupants going to bed, we recommend carrying out a visual check and closing doors, checking the cooker, turning off heaters and any other electrics not being used. This can greatly improve safety when asleep. If you are concerned about a resident's safety, then refer them to the LFB. In summary, you have the potential to save someone's life. If you have any doubts or simply think an occupant could benefit from some fire safety advice, refer them to the London Fire Brigade.